If you cannot download apps from the Play Store, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to fix it right now. This is Aiden from JustPause, and before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this, so we greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, make sure that you do have an internet connection, and make sure that your internet connection is working by opening up a browser and loading a website. Then just open up the Google Play Store and tap on your profile icon up in the top right. Scroll down on here, select settings, and then you need to go to about right here and select update Play Store just like so. If that doesn't fix it, go ahead and back out, and you need to swipe up and open up your settings. Scroll down on here, select apps, and then you need to go to Google Play Store. I recommend just searching for this. I think it's a little bit faster. But open up Google Play Store and then scroll down on here, select storage, and then hit clear cache in the bottom right, and then hit clear data right after that in the bottom left. Then go ahead and go back, and you need to do the exact same thing for Google Play Services. Open this up, scroll down to storage, hit clear cache, and then clear data. And then finally just reopen up the Play Store and complete any setup prompts again and try downloading the app or game again. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.